Gently lower onto your back using your elbows for support when lowering. With your head resting on the floor, place hands on your kneecaps and hold whilst performing 5 to 6 deep breaths. Keep your breaths controlled so you do not cause lightheadedness. Gently lower onto your back, with one leg straight out. Hug one knee to your chest and take 5 deep, controlled breaths. Bend the straight leg slightly and release the knee from your chest. Repeat the stretch on the other leg. Try to let go of any tension in your body and let your mind wander. Gently lower onto your back, then hug behind the knees, pulling your thighs to your chest. Perform slow, controlled breaths to release the tension in your lower back. When ready to release, place your elbows behind for support as you lower your feet and return to the seated position. Using your elbows for support, gently lower onto your back, then hug both knees to your chest. Feel the tension in the lower back release as you breathe deeply. When ready to release, place your elbows behind for support as you lower your feet and return to the seated position.